Dear students, good morning. In the last class, we have seen volume-based standard cost, standard costing features. Next, let us see what are the types of standards. First one, basic standard. These standards are set up for use over a long period of time and they are not expected to be changed. They remain unchanged and they are set up for a long period of time. Okay, and from such a standard, current standard is developed. So a basic standard is a standard set for use over a long period of time and they are not expected to be changed. And from such standards, what are developed? Current standards can be developed. Okay. Second one, current standard. Current standards are established for use over a short period of time. And they are related to current conditions and they will be changing or they will be changed according to the current conditions in order to suit the current situation. Okay, that standard is known as current standard because current standard relate to the current conditions and they are set up for a short period of time and they are subject to change according to changes in the current condition. Third one, ideal standard. Ideal standard is also known as potential standard. This standard is based on most favorable conditions. This standard is set up based on the assumption that we have most favorable conditions such as availability of material at low price, then availability of laborers at least rate, and all those under most favorable conditions. These standards are attainable. Okay. So is it realistic? No, it is not at all attainable because we can't have most favorable conditions, most favorable opportunities. Only if also that standard can be attainable only under the most favorable conditions, most favorable opportunities expected to be prevailing. Okay. So we know that it is unrealistic. It is not at all attainable. So also this standard represents high level of efficiency. Okay. So ideal standard is set up under based on the assumption that there exist most favorable opportunities and favorable conditions, and these standards will be obtainable only on those such favorable conditions are existing. It also represents high level of efficiency. Okay. In reality, it is not at all attainable. This standard is not at all attainable. Fourth one, expected standard. Expected standard is also, that is what this actual standard actually expected, and this standard is set based on making allowances for normal wastage, normal idle time, etc. All these are considered. What is normal wastage of material? What are the normal idle time in the case of labor idle time? We know that normal idle time and abnormal idle time. Idle time means workers are paid wages but no work is done. Okay. Normal idle time means which cannot be avoided, for example tea break, lunch break, etc. These are normal idle time. All these are considered after having given consideration this normal idle time, normal wastage, etc. On the basis of that standard is set up. That standard is known as expected standard. It is more realistic. It is more realistic and more attainable as we compare with the ideal standard. Okay. Fifth one, normal standard. Normal standard is based on the normal conditions. What is normal conditions? Based on that normal conditions, what is set up? Standard is set up. Based on average figure of the past. What is average figure? And it is more attainable. This standard is also attainable during a long period of time, usually one trade cycle. Normal standard is set up based on normal conditions, based on average figure, and usually it is attainable during a long period covering one trade cycle. Okay. Last one, historical standard. Historical standard is the standard set up on the basis of the past cost. What was the past cost? Based on that past cost, a standard is set up. So these are the 6 types of standards. First one, basic standard set up for a long period of time. And I expected to remain stable, not at all changing, not at all changed. And based on that standard only we can prepare current standard. Current standard set up for short period of time based on current condition, and they are subject to change according to changes in the current situation and current condition. Third one, ideal standard. The standard which is more attainable only if most favorable conditions are existing, and it represents high level of efficiency, but in reality it is not at all attainable, because we know that most favorable conditions was we anticipate will not remain or will not occur in the business situation. So it is also known as potential standard. Fourth one, expected standard. The standard which is actually expected and to be achieved, and it is more realistic because it will give consideration to normal wastage, normal idle time, etc. Based on that, what is set up? Standard is set up. Next one, normal standard. Normal standard is set up based on the normal conditions. Usually set up based on the average figure, and it is attainable during a long period, usually covering one trade cycle. Last one, historical standard is set up on the basis of the past cost. Okay, let me stop it here. We can move on to the next topic in the next class. Okay, bye.